Yeah, good morning, everyone. I am Priya. I heartily welcome you all the grand launch of our Multi Arts Knowledge World app. I am inviting Baby Sai Amulya to sing a prayer song. Sai Amulya.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Saya Mulya. Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami Vashishtavamadevadev Tamahaganapatim Manasa Smarami Vashishtavamadevadev Tamahaganapatim Mahadevasutam Guru Guhanatam Mahadevasuta Guru Guhanutam Marakoti Prakasham Santam Mahadevasutam Guru Guhanutam Marakoti Prakasham Santam Mahakavyanatakaadi Priyam Moshikavahana Modaka Priyam Mahakavyanatakaadi Priyam Moshikavahana Modaka Priyam Mahakavyanatakaadi Priyam Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami Vashishtavamadevadev Tamahaganapatim Manasa Smarami Vashishtavamadevadev Tamahaganapatim. Thank you.
Thank you, Sai Amulya. I request Gayatri Garu to introduce our chief guest, Mrs. Sailaja Nair Garu.
Yeah, thank you, Priya Garu. Myself, Gayatri. I'm introducing our chief guest. Her name is Sailaja, and she's a master's in biochemistry taught in Mumbai University and University of Lagos from 1983 to 1991. And she took a break for a few years and was later associated with the Times of India in the NIE program. Training in soft skills for corporate, Tech Mahindra, like Gati's Care Hospital, Capgemini, etc. Head for an air hostess training institute where personality development, grooming, and now she looks after her paddy fields in Kerala, and she is an avid reader, and she was also an official host for Telangana Tourism. Welcome, Sailaja ma'am. Yeah, heartily welcome to you from Multi Arts.
Thank you, guys.
Priya Garu. Yeah,
No.
thanks. Yeah, we are
Yeah.
you are audible, ma'am.
Can you request Gayatri Garu?
Yeah, you are audible, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, I request Gayatri. Yeah, ma'am.
I understand that Multi Arts is an online growing session. I think the promoter is Veena Popala. It's so good to understand that you are keeping in touch with the times, which is so important. Now, of course, with changing times, I think people have learned to adjust their lifestyle accordingly because you can't have too many crowds, you can't have too many people found in a certain place only to provide the COVID protocol. So it's a wonderful initiative, Ms. Veena Popala, that you've taken up. And I understand now you are going to launch an app for children. This is wonderful because children require a lot of, first of all, children are facing very challenging times, right? Children's most happiest days are in school when they interact with their peers. They have children to play with, they have children to go around with, they can fight, sing, laugh, dance. but unfortunately and incidentally, the child is today not exposed to it. The parents are also having a tough time with their young growing children to give them the right kind of challenges or allow them to face analyze in different ways. I hope, Veena, whatever initiative you are taking up, you do involve the child other than their curriculum, which is academics. You also involve them in some multi-cultures so that they understand. Like you had that little child, Sai Amulya, who sang, she sang it so beautiful and require some kind where they could have emotions or their passions discovered, unique in his or her own way. Sounded beautiful, one dancing or whatever. What is very important is, in case you are starting a learning, please understand that you must also help them grow in their personality. They should be in a position to take up a lot more activities within their house. Maybe it is drawing, painting, but please understand these children require a lot of encouragement and motivation for them to carry forward in life. It doesn't mean the first benchers always do well and the back benchers don't. Now the scene has changed because the back bencher looks at the whole class from above and he seems to view of what is going on in ahead of him. Many cases, there are those wonderful front benchers, academically qualified, but they do not understand or facing. So it would be wonderful if you could give them that kind of energy, teaching. I am a part of the Lions Club and we have a program called the Lions Quest, where we have these young children, that is adolescent children, from the age group of 16 or 12 to 18, where we allow them, there is something known as social and emotional, where we try to bring in the child into the fold of facing challenges in life. We allow them because now, everything is so to be so tech savvy. There is nothing left to imagine it. He just needs a click fingertip and he can browse through anything or either on his laptop or the smartphone that he or she is given. Now, what happens in such children? They've not yet grown up to such a level to understand what is right. It's up to us to help them channelize, to understand and tell them how unique they are. There are many children who don't like to sit being, who don't understand what it is to sit in the. It is so difficult to make them sit in one place. They're after all young children with so much energy. They are not like many of us, at least my age range, where it's difficult for us to even get up and do something really constructive. Children are not like that. They are forever moving around. So let's and help them grow and become responsible citizens. I think your main factor in this wonderful app that you're coming up, there's a small suggestion from my side. Allow the child to grow by way of their own thinking. Our parents, even me as a parent, when young, everything was spoon-fed to them. Everything is taught to them. 3 3s are 9. Now, where does 3 3s are 9? You are not telling the child, what do you mean? Why is 3 plus 3 6? And why is 3 3s are 9? We are not able to tell them. We are saying, okay, these are your tables. You must by heart from 2 to 12. But are we telling them what is the means? Why are you multiplying? Are we expressing it to them? Are we trying to show it to them practically? Everything is so theoretical for the child that the child is just, learning by rote. The child is not understanding. You talk about nature. You talk about the photosynthesis in plants. Do you take the child out and show the child the leaf? Show a child a dead leaf. Show the child the roots, the stem. Explain, take the child. So, sometimes they say not just hearing or listening, a visual contact with anything is something that is retained at the back of the mind. You never forget certain things. Now, in these times, of course, everything is more visual. You are not able to hold them. There is not too much of physical connection. But at the same time, it could be more in terms of practicals than theoretical classes. A teacher standing with a blackboard at the back, with a chalk in her hand and talking, the child may have just wandered. Every child is an Alice in Wonderland. You know, when they are sitting in their class, their mind wanders, they go into beautiful places, or they'll be thinking how her mother would make a vada for her in the afternoon, or how she'd have a chapati with paneer, whatever. But what I'm trying to tell you is, get the child into the fold, child's attention. And that is and if you are able to do that, Veena, with your app that you are coming out with, especially in terms of education, I'm telling you, you will be a great success. Don't just restrict yourself to blackboards and computer windows that you will speak through. Make it more interactive. Involve the parents, let them also come in, and make it a three-pronged affair where the teacher, the child, and the parent are all involved in the development of their child. I think that's all that I have to say. I know you're doing a great job, wonderful initiative, and I hope you many, many success. I just read Anita Gully's post that you were a Leo, and I'm so happy to see you proceeding so well in life and understanding the need of the hour and coming out with something. There are a lot of apps, like if you know the Byju's app that started from a garage. Today, look where he is. He has Shah Rukh Khan as his brand ambassador. He has Singapore has bought over rights of the Byju's app. So it's not difficult. Every household, as you know, nowadays, more than 70% of our population is the youth. It is the childhood. We don't have too many old people in our country. And that is why our country is such a growing economy. So it is like you who are interested in a child's development, in a child's education, who can really carry the country forward. So all the best, Veena, and to all your team members. I hope you do a great job. And anytime you require any assistance from me, I have been a teacher for a number of years. I have not dealt with young children, but I love the young children because the kind of energy they give in you is something very different. So I'm always there for you, any help, anything. Another thing is, if you do have a number of children of the adolescent age, please let me know. I will keep a teacher to even promote the Quest program, where the child can be motivated and the child's youth can be empowered. So anytime you need me, I'll be only too happy to help you, Veena. Thank you, Anita, for even suggesting my name to Veena. I'm so indebted to you, and I know the kind of work that you do in Lionism. I think it's impossible to even touch her with a barge pole. She is way beyond all of us, and it's all her effort and her passion. If she commits to something, there is no turning back. So thank you so much, Anita, and great job, Veena. Please go ahead and all the best to your team of multi-arts. I hope you take huge leaps. One day, maybe I can turn around and look and say, yes, I was invited as a chief guest. Thank you so much, and proud of all that you're doing. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, and very inspiring words, ma'am. So I can see the intense whatever you say for the students and for the young minds especially. That is the thing I have in my head as well whenever I started this. And thanks a lot for it's more inspiring us. For sure, I would really love to be there like you was the chief guest. And I want to see myself as a Byju's. You just said the same thing.
Absolutely.
So it was very connected. It was very connected, and thanks a lot for coming here. And thanks a lot, Anita Garu, for supporting a lot. Priya Garu, over to you.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah, I request Gayatri Garu to welcome our Anita Garu.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. I welcome Anita Garu. Is a very well-known name for us. You are become a family member of Multi-Art. A very warm welcome to Anita Garu. We are always looking for your words. And over to you, ma'am, because you have no time. That's why I'm directing to you. Anita Garu, you can give your suggestions to us.
Thank you so much, Gayatri. Yeah, Veena Puppala. Even
Yeah.
I know, I came to know her last year only, Shailja Garu, because through one of my friend, she suggested my name. I got connected. They wanted me to be chief guest kind. I said, no, 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 no. Always there are a better person than us. We should never think that we are the better. Yeah, we are the best. Like we can always give something best. Okay, like that my journey started with multi arts, Veena Puppala, like that. Whenever they do something, I'm part of it. I'll be always like a guest. I'll take someone. Last time I've taken Sangeeta, prior to that, actor Balaji, and now it's you. So definitely every time I'll be giving a chance to one person where she can also explore, she can also get connectivity, visibility with the people, right? That's what our job is. So we have to encourage all this such girls, boys, anyone. As per me, like I'm more recognized or known for the I give. And when I came to know, and I just asked her, would you like to be a Leo? Then she asked certain details. She gave off her details. Okay. She's married. She got a daughter, I believe. This girl. Yeah, I came to know later after so many months that, oh, she's married. I was not even knowing that, you know. Then she always like, I'm part of her journey. I feel very happy that one by one she's going on, she'll do something and she'll call me. So I feel that, yeah, she's like, you know, वो grow हो रही है, वो बढ़ रही है, आगे बढ़ रही है. So I always feel that. And recently she has shown her interest that she want to be lion. So it was, और भी सोने पे सुहागा टाइप बात हो गया था. So definitely we are going to encourage her in lionism also. So Shailja madam, though, you know, always I used to be I'm telling for Veena, Gayatri and everyone that I used to be a big fan of her because in our linism, her roaring voice, and she does MC for big events. I used to always love, but I never used to go and talk much. And when I immediately texted her, madam, I'm always your fan. You know, the way you speak her English. And I always had one question that where did you, where was her schooling done? So I think now Shailja madam to tell us where she has studied, because lag raha hai ki ek baar jaake padhna chahiye. The way, you know, the way she speaks, oh my God, it's awesome. So that was the reason I thought she'll be the right person for children today. And you're launching your mobile app. So the way she conveys a message, it's really beautiful. So I think I have done justice to Veena Puppala and multi arts, right? So from my end, nothing. I'm always anything. So you can always approach choir. All my best, all the children here who are present, and the cute little girl, she was singing prayer. You know, it was really awesome. When I saw, immediately I've taken us, not on screen, I have taken us. So it's good. And you know, Venus, one thing is that she keeps encouraging girls. When first time I've been part of her program also, she has done drawing competitions, 2 competitions that was for girls, you know. I was thinking that's so good, all girls. But she told, madam, I have done it for girls. I was not knowing it was not for boys, but she's very particular and she want to encourage girls. So it's good. It's good. So, but one thing is that from my end, we should encourage both also. That's nothing like that. If we keep encouraging only girls, then what about boys? Boys
I
were,
know.
they'll become like that only how they are in the society, right? So we should take more, and I think you should encourage more boys and see that they are good human beings in the society.
Yes.
And a lot of distractions. So how you can change them? Being Leo, see, being a part of Leo clubs also, that half an hour, that 1 hour, that 2 hours, we are making them to be part of us. So whatever distractions they have, we are just उनको हम लोग अपनी तरफ लाने की कोशिश करते हैं. Yeah, they'll be their part of debate, they are part of Independence Day, they are part of Teachers Day. Somewhere like we want to divert them to some good things, right? Otherwise they'll be playing some PUBG, something, TV, I don't know what all they do. So that's only reason like we keep encouraging. So you should think in both directions. You should never think that it's for girls, it's for both. Okay, so that will be my suggestion. And I'll be always there. Thank you, Veena.
Yeah, thanks a
Humbled,
lot, ma'am.
Anita.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
The whole story was, it was for both boys and girls, but the winners are only girls.
Okay, that's good.
Gayatri.
Yeah, I request Gayatri garu to welcome our CEO.
Oh, nothing, ma'am. Veena ma'am.
Yeah, Veena garu, Chief Guest
Oh,
Shailaja
okay.
garu, and Anitya garu to launch our app.
Yeah, tell to launch so that I can just share my screen and I just.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
Shailja madam.
Shailaja ma'am. Both at a time.
Yeah.
Both at a time.
Both.
Shailja ma'am, say it. I'll follow.
Yeah, you can just go on your account.
Yeah. Shailja ma'am,
Yeah.
say it like you have to say it. You have to launch, na?
Oh, okay. I officially launch the Multi Arts online app, wishing them all success in every endeavor that they take up. And may you reach far and wide across. After all, today networking is the ultimate in life. So I hope your app brings a lot of knowledge to the young and to the old too. All the best. I launch the Multi Arts online app.
Yay, I think we all should clap. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
And I'm very glad that whatever, if I want to do something, Anita ma'am will be there. And whoever we are getting, it's more inspiring for us, ma'am. The Shailaja ma'am, the Sangeeta ma'am, everyone. And whatever the words you told, for sure I'll consider that. I right now I'm just trying to engage more boys so that we can have a good boys outside. And also the inspiring words, whatever said by Shailaja ma'am, it's very, very inspiring. It's more of like engaging new minds, and I can see the way you speak. It's more of mind related. They need to be more logical. We need to show them how the things gonna happen like that. So it's very, very happy for me. Now I would like to over to you, Priya Garu. Please, vote of thank.
Yeah, thanks to everyone, ma'am. I request to Gayatri garu to give the vote of thanks. Gayatri garu.
Yeah. Thank you one and all, Shailaja garu and Anita garu, because you don't have time. That's why we are completing like this. And Veena ma'am will give the suggestions to us also. And Shailaja garu, once again, thank you so much from Multi Arts. Thank you very much, ma'am, for inspiring words also. Whatever we are thinking, I mean, Veena ma'am and me always thinking we are lucky. I mean, we have to become like Byju's like that. Just that only you are telling, but a very inspiration. Thank you so much, ma'am. Anta ma'am, as usual, thank you so much for your support every time. Whenever we ask, you already, I mean, we are thinking Anita ma'am is there for us like that. Thank you so much, ma'am, for attending and launching. Over to you, Priya garu.
Thanks to everyone who are attending, and thanks to parents and tutors also. Yeah, thanks to all.
Yeah, thanks everyone.
Actually, we had time, but unfortunately, the program which was in the evening, they have all suddenly shifted to morning. So actually 11:15 I was supposed to be there. I'm getting calls. I'm still at home. I have to go. Okay. So actually I gave you for my word first, but I can't deny that event and yours event. So I was in a fix, but anyways, we were part of it, and we are there with you. And we know that we'll see you in a great height very soon.
Yeah, I'm so happy that you've gone into music and dance and chess. That's exactly what I was looking forward for. Great job, Veena, and all the best, okay? And I really, like Anita said, let's hope to see you at the pinnacle of success, okay?
I'd like to just say a word. Can I please?
Yeah, sure. We are really willing to.
Congratulations, team Multi Arts. I really like the concept of multitasking, which I think I am one of the, many in the field who actually look at it. So I congratulate. We have got great women amongst us. Lion Shailja Nairji is one of our excellent, presenters of any event. Of course, Lion Anita Galigaru, here she has been a great force behind the entire Leo movement in our districts. Naturally with her, we are number one in the 7 districts when it comes to Lion, Leo's development as well, being a Lion. And this multi-arts is a concept which I would like to go through more because I am also keen on many things concerning it. So great to see all of you. It's a very short and then a very crisp meet, I find, compared to many of our, long drawn out meetings that we have across multiple places, whether it's Hyderabad Management Association,
క్లాస్ జరుగుతుందా
Lion, all of you.
పద ఆడబోదాం మెట్రో దింపాలి
So congratulations, all of you. Anita Galigaru, congratulations. Shailja Nairji, namaste.
Thank
All the
you.
people. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Venkat sir, for the words whatever you gave. And anyone want to speak? I'm really willing to listen before going to wind up.
This is
yes,
Kasmi's mom, Niharika here.
Yeah, hi.
Actually, before meeting multi-arts, I had to run around where can I find any classes. Now, if somebody asks me, where's your daughter learning? Just one stop, multi-arts. It's like going to a mall, picking my western wear, everything. So all the best. It's just like a Just Dial app. Hopefully, Amitabh Bachchan sir has to promote you in future. All the best. Thank you.
Thanks a lot for that words, and I'm very glad that you were able to see the intents. And even I used to feel the same. You need to just step in and just buy the things whatever you want.
Yeah.
That's the vision I have.
Exactly. I don't have to worry now to put for my daughter where I don't have to search anywhere. I'm so close from 1 year. My daughter is attending at summer camp, everything. And it's so nice of the other staff who ask me like, are you comfortable? And any new class, they'll inform me. It's so nice that they give that, feel free. Like, every class, I'm like, my daughter is queen in the class. Their appreciations make me to put more and more and encourage her to attend all such classes. And due to pandemic, I'm not able to send anywhere, and her time is not getting waste. In fact, pandemic made her learn more things because of multi-art.
Thanks a lot for that warm words, and we really take that words to the heart, and for sure we'll encourage lots and lots of arts into the multi-arts. Thanks a lot for that, and we're really glad that for the association, whatever you have with us. Kasmi.
Yeah, thanks.
So yeah,
Thank you, ma'am.
always welcome, always welcome. So Preeti Garu, you just want to speak something?
Yes, Sunday. Hi. Hello to everyone, and congratulations first of all to you, Veena Garu, and you are doing a tremendous job, and very all the best in the future. And yes, very inspiring words by Shailaja Garu and Anita Garu. Hi, Anita Garu and Shailaja Garu. And actually, I am part of multi-arts previously, and due to some issues, like I couldn't able to be with them. And yes, Anita Garu is doing a good job, and she will always encourage. Not only for the kids, she will encourage everyone. And she is very kind-hearted. And thanks. And all the best to you, Veena Garu.
Thanks a lot.
She's the
I
one
would
who I was saying
yeah.
speaking about. She only connected me to Veena. And from
Yeah.
there, Preeti kahin hai? No,
Nice.
nothing.
So,
Good.
Yeah, I
very
would
good.
really like to thank Preeti Garu because she's the one who just introduced me in my initial days. She was there, but she was busy with her work. Whenever we have some event, she'll be there. Thanks a lot, Preeti Garu, and I'm very happy that you are still connected in somewhere to multi-arts. And thanks a lot for sharing your views. So anyone want to share something, you can share, or else we can just wind up saying a great goodbye to all the chief guests.
Thank you.
Lakshmi Gokapar. Gokawar, you want
Yes,
to
ma'am.
speak?
Hi, everyone.
Yeah,
Seeing
yeah.
all the women power at one place, actually. Successful women power. I really want to congratulate. I'm just a student of multi-arts. I'm learning guitar here.
Oh, super.
Yes, yes. I'm just a student, but
What's your
I
age?
want to.
No, what's your age?
My 31.
31. You're just crossed. Otherwise, I would made you Leo.
No,
Yeah.
31, ma'am. I really want. I see.
Actually,
Actually,
music
I'm also
instruments are
having an
learning
academy, but
only,
seeing these
adults only
multi
learn.
arts attracts me very much. It have so many classes according to whatever the student have their own schedule. That is really a big thing. And as I own an academy, I really know how much it is difficult to handle, because one should like we have to engage all of them in different timings. We need to talk, we need to market, like one successful woman I saw today, like where I want to congratulate Veena ma'am to you. Your academy is really good, really it is going well. I hope it will go further more, and you will lead so much of success. As a co-intermediate, I just want to congratulate you. Thank you, congratulations.
Thanks a lot for that, Lakshmi. And I would love to see the people who are in a big age also, they are still learning something. It really makes me so inspiring.
You
And
have to learn
age
something.
is just a number. So yeah, I'm very glad. And I don't know that you're not that much big years. I can see like you're just 25, 24 like that.
No, 31. I have 2 kids.
Great.
Yeah.
So happy that you are a part of Multi-Arts, and we hope we can have a long journey together as well as a student, as well as in a collaboration mode as well. So
Yeah.
thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anyone want to share something? You can share, or else we can say bye. Anyone else?
And request Veena Garu, you say about some multi-arts. You're not speaking today. Say something.
Okay, so I'll just take 5 minutes quickly and I'll just wind up that. So Multi-Arts is a private limited body where it is established in 2019 authorizedly, but Multi-Arts was started in 2013 itself. As I myself, I'm a graphologist and mind coach, means I can read a person's mindset just by seeing their writing. That's how all these things started. So when I was in my college, I used to go to the multiple schools and colleges. I used to train graphology to the students, which really helped me on my interview process. And I just grown a next level where I can say, because I'm a Telugu medium background person where I haven't speak a single line in English. And now you can see me, how I am. So all this change happened because of that graphology. I and my bunch of friends used to go and used to train. So later on in 2015, I'm just thinking, laying on the bed, I'm just thinking what is the thing we need to put. So the one name came in my mind is Multi-Arts, because my friend teach art forms, I teach graphology, some of my friends teach interview things. There is no connection in between over there. So I just came up with the name Multi-Arts, and I'm more passionate about instruments, like, musical instruments. I love that. So the name Multi-Arts indicates whenever a student step into the Multi-Arts, they will become a versatile. In Telugu, Bahmukha Pragnashali. They'll be into all the things, whatever they can. And later on, the vision, whatever I have in my head, that really came true after 5 years. And everyone are really, just stepping in and exploring whatever the arts they want to explore. We just started with one course. Right now, we have 30 different courses, like art forms. And we have 40 plus trainers, and on and world, we're just expanding our wings into the globe. We are students from Africa, US, UK, Dubai, Muscat, so many areas, as well as in local India as well. So we are really looking forward to have a lakhs and lakhs of students, and really they just want to wait to join in the Multi-Arts to the art forms. So that's the vision I have. And yeah, this is all about Multi-Arts, and it's a trademark registered company. Right now, we have 200 plus students in Multi-Arts, and we are really looking forward to do more. All these 200 came only in 1 year. So that's it, very short. I just want to make it. And if anyone want to know more about graphology or Multi-Arts, you can really explore on YouTube, and we have a Facebook as well as a website. Yeah, that's it. If anyone want to know about yourself by seeing your writing, definitely I would really love to do that. Yeah, and I was into IT as well for 5 years. I was a software engineer. I just quit my job to do this as a full-fledged work. So 2020 is my last working. Right now I'm very happy and I'm really looking forward to work very exciting factors to launch and a lot more inspiring people like Anita Garu, Shailaja Garu. I really inspired by seeing you people because you have your own responsibilities in the home, parents, mothers, all the stuff, and still you are pushing yourself to the society in the service mode. It's really inspired me. I can say the young adults admires me, you people inspire me. So these are my tools where I can move forward as much as I can. So that's it about Multi Arts. I was really thinking in my mind when I want to say about Multi Arts. So this is the first time I'm just ending up with the introduction of the Multi Arts. So that's it. Thanks for attending. Thanks a lot, ma'am. This means a lot to me as well as Multi Arts. We would really love to have you again and again, as well as Anita Garu. She's like a great supporter for us. So anything anyone want to just share your piece of information? Yeah, we would really love to listen. Shailaja Garu, you can just say something and we can just.
No, I'm so happy to be with you all today. And like I told you earlier, I really need to thank Anita for introducing me to this platform. What I love about what you're doing is it is so multifarious. You're giving them so many options like chess. And I heard Lakshmi talking about how she's learning to play the guitar. So you are managing, when you are, we were in Russia for a number of years. When Russia was Soviet Union under the control of the communist government, every child, had to have a certain hobby, which was compulsory, any kind of music or anything, maybe it is art or it is singing or different kind, because they always felt that a child would definitely fare better if he had some passion which could be developed, then his interest. Otherwise, what happens? Every single day you're sitting and learning about your science and maths and history and English. You really don't have a vent for the kind of hobbies that you want. I'm so happy Lakshmi at the age of 31 has realized, yes, I'd like to learn to play the guitar. If you ask me, even at my age, I'd love to learn to dance. Though, of course, I've done a lot of course in dancing, but in spite of it. So what I'm trying to say is, it is inborn. You have it in you. You just need to bring it out. And if somebody like you, Veena, who's come out with this wonderful initiative of Multi Arts, where I'm sure you'd grow, like you said, whether it's graphology or it's calligraphy, whatever it is, it's so important that you are reaching out, and I'm sure you'll reach out to many, many more lives. And I wish you all the success. And I will definitely recommend you to all the youngsters that I know, that this is a one-stop shop for any of their hobbies. So I think that is what is more important. But keep up the good work. There will be ups and downs in business, but hold on to it. Because let me tell you, everyone has had their own teething problems. But finally, at the end of the day, you see the end of the tunnel, you see light at the end of the tunnel, and you will definitely grow. All right. So it's not for today and tomorrow. Your perspective should be very broad and carry it forward. Excellent, Veena. I'm so happy to be associated with you. And like I said, please get back to base if ever you need me. Okay. I'm so happy. I leave the meeting now. Like Anita said, there's somebody else waiting outside. So I leave, and congratulations once again, and keep up the good work and all the best. Okay.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah. Sure. We'll wind up the meeting now. 3.
Jyoti Garu or Soumya Garu, you want to talk?
Yeah, ma'am, you can just leave the meet now. We can go forward if anyone wants to speak with us. Thanks a lot for attending. It's really mean a lot for us. And have a great day ahead.
Bye.
Yeah, bye. So yeah.
Hello, Veena Garu. I would like to say a few words, Veena Garu. It's me, Suchita.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, hi. Congratulations and wishing you a very, success. Yeah, definitely. I know you like it since like I would like to say thanks to this COVID. Because of that I got a with you. Well, with you as well. Basic one. More than that course, personally, I feel very connected with you all the time. And your videos, your YouTube follower, always those videos inspires me a lot. Yeah, and I wish you all the best. Definitely, you'll be, in few years, definitely you'll be in the position what you are looking and what everyone is wishing for you. So I wish you all the best.
Thanks a lot, Suchita Garu. Thanks a lot. That's really a very positive words from your end. For sure, we just want to work together and reach together. I'm looking forward for that as well. And I wish you good luck for the work,
Sure.
whatever you do as well.
Thank you. Sure.
Yeah.
And the positivity, I can feel that in your words, and in your all these inspiring words and all. Yeah, definitely. Thank you so much, Veena Garu.
Yeah, welcome a lot. So yeah, anyone, Jyoti Garu, you want to speak? It's long back. We took a break.
Yeah. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
After a long time.
Yeah.
Nice to see you back, like with a bag. We can say that. No, and hearty congratulations once again. It's like one milestone you have achieved. Another milestone, I can say. It's not the first one. So we are waiting for so many things. So we can also have a journey with you along with all these milestones.
Sure.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am, for inviting me as well. And I just to be a part of it. I'm also feeling so glad to be in this journey.
Sure, and we wish to have a long journey. I'm looking
Yeah,
forward to have a journey for the lifetime.
Sure.
So I'm preparing those type of things as well. That's why I just took a little break. For sure, we can work together. We can, travel together where you people can lead a very quality and high-end lifestyle.
Yes. Sure, ma'am. Thank you a lot. Thank you so much. And I can say that we all are there. And you are the role model for us as well.
Thanks a lot, Andy. That means a lot.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. So anyone want to share the views? Soumya Garu, Priya Garu. I would really like to listen. So Priya Garu.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you very much. Actually, I joined recently, but I am very happy to work here. Hello.
Yeah, audible, Andy. You can go ahead.
చిన్న గ్యాప్ లోనే చాలా యాక్చువల్ 2 months ఓన్లీ అవుతుంది నేను జాయిన్ అయ్యి, బట్ ఈ గ్యాప్ లో నేను చాలా కనెక్ట్ అయ్యాను. మీ దగ్గర నుంచి చాలా పాజిటివ్ వర్డ్స్ తీసుకున్నాను. ఇట్ విల్ బి వెరీ మోటివేట్ ఫర్ మీ. ఒక ఉమెన్ గా ఒక వితౌట్ చిన్న ఫైనాన్షియల్ సపోర్ట్ అయినా కూడా ఇట్ విల్ బి ఈజీ ఫర్ ఫ్యామిలీ. చాలా నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. ఐఎమ్ లుకింగ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ టు వర్క్ విత్ యూ ఫర్ లాంగ్ టైమ్. ఇంకా మీ దగ్గర చాలా నేర్చుకోవాలని ఉంది. I will continue this journey for a long time.
Yeah, sure, Andy. That's the only thing I have in my head. If anyone is stepping into the multi-arts, it may not be active, it may not be passive. You people can always step in and be there with multi-arts whenever you want to be. That's the space I'm going to create in multi-arts. So, you step in, you can explore, you can do whatever you want to do. And definitely my support and the factor what motivates you from me, that will be there for sure.
And main thing, I won't feel any stress in here.
Okay.
Freega చేస్తున్నాను. No, ఎప్పుడు stress అని నేనైతే ఫీల్ అవ్వలేదు 2 months లో.
Okay, I'm happy for that, Andy.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
You're always welcome, Andy. So anyone want to speak? Gayatri Garu, Soumya Garu.
Excuse me, ma'am. Kasmi mother, Kasmi is very talented and multi-talented. Thank you so much, ma'am. Kasmi's mother, your name Niharika, I think. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. She joined in classical dance.
Yeah, you can turn on your camera.
Yeah, okay. Kasmi, hi.
Ma'am.
your journey. Okay, no problem. Yeah, Navanita Garu or Annapurna Garu, Lalita Garu, and Raju Garu.
And I learned how to talk.
Yeah, hello, ma'am. I'm Soumya.
I learned how to do
I'm having full throat pain, ma'am. I didn't speak.
Yeah, that's fine, Soumya. Yeah, you can go ahead. If you are speaking something, you can unmute and you can speak. We are listening. What you learned from multi-arts, you can just tell that.
Ma'am, I learned glass art, drawing, and Bharatanatyam.
Oh, great. So we are looking forward to have more arts in your life as well. So how you felt? How you felt about the arts?
Ma'am, it was very interesting, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
It is very interesting. I enjoy my classes, ma'am.
Oh, that's very nice.
Are you happy with it?
Ma'am, are you happy with it? Ma'am, I'm very happy with it, ma'am.
Okay, even I am happy with the courses, whatever you are taking. I'm very happy. I hope you are happy as well of the learning process. And you're so cute the way you asked me. I'm happy.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome. Always welcome. So yeah, Rajgaru, after so much time, you are here. We are happy for your presence.
Yes, madam. Wonderful event. I am very happy to be in the session లో ఉన్నందుకు నాకు చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. అండ్ మీ దగ్గర కోర్స్ నేర్చుకున్నప్పుడు మెయిన్లీ మీ ప్యాషన్ మాత్రం దట్ వాజ్ అమేజింగ్ మేడం. మీ దగ్గర నుంచి నాకు అది వండర్ఫుల్ అనిపిస్తుంది. అండ్ ఈ యాప్ లాంచింగ్ ఎస్ ఇట్స్ ఎ గుడ్ ఈవెంట్ మేడం. Excellent, madam, and you are inspiration to so many people, and మీరు ఇలానే ఇంకా చాలా మంది లైఫ్ లో ఇంకా హ్యాపీనెస్ నింపాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
Sure, Rajgaru. Sure, Rajgaru. It's lots to me. For sure, that's the thing. I have some couple of things to inspire to make them happy. Quality of lifestyle lead చేసేలాగా హెల్ప్ చేయాలనే కాన్సెప్ట్ లోనే నేను ప్రతి కోర్స్ ని డిజైన్ చేసుకుంటూ వస్తున్నాం. And the support whatever the team gave is a lot. And Rajgaru is one of our student. We just have a journey of 1 year.
Madam, and multi arts be versatile and a tagline ki మీరు ప్రతిరూపం మేడం.
Thanks a lot, Andy. Thanks a lot. That really means a lot. Thanks a lot for your presence, and it really makes me so happy. So anyone want to share your views? I'm really willing to listen, or else we can just wind up.
I want you to start with some personality development debates, ma'am. So
Sure.
our kids, actually, they're doing so many things, but to talk about it, they have less. So I wanted you to start that also.
Sure. And I'm just working on a self-coach blueprint, which helps a person to coach themselves in all aspects of their life.
Yes.
And that's the thing I'm working. That's the thing you're asking me. For sure, I'm going to launch that very quickly, and I would really welcome all the students and parents for that course as well. Anyhow, it's more of surprising things where I'm going to do the things going to happen later on. And I'm very glad, and I really appreciate you as well, because you're just identifying and giving a space to a kid and explore her into all aspects of the art forms. That's really a great thing. I really appreciate you as a mother. You're doing a great job.
Thank you, ma'am. That is because of your help, I'm able to make her art, whatever she's interested, no? We are not making her time waste. So she's enjoying because there's no school, only half day till 1 o'clock. Afterwards, they get bored. Because of multi-arts, I'm able to breathe. Seriously.
So we're happy for that. We're really happy for that words. Today is a big day for me. So many warm wishes, so many feedbacks. We are really standing on our position. We're able to satisfy the parents as well as the kids. Thanks a lot, team. Gayatri Garu, Soumya Garu, Priya Garu. If you people are not with me, definitely this thing not gonna happen. You people are so much patience. So you just always put your best, even you don't see it is a night that day. Especially Gayatri Garu, Soumya Garu, you are into a long journey with the multi-arts, and the Priya Garu, just within a 2 months, you're very adapted to the things. And I'm really looking forward to work with you people at least a 40 to 50 years ahead. That's the vision I have in my head. So I don't want to think, go anywhere. This is your house, this is your family. You can see this like a professional family. We can walk and hold together, as well as parents. You don't want to look up anything. Your kids gonna learn here, grow here, build here, succeed here, everything you're gonna get here. That's the thing I have in my head. And thanks a lot for attending the event and making this as a grand success. So Gayatri Garu, if you want to wind up, you can just say the word and we can wind up. Or else we're gonna extend this with the conversation for hours and hours.
Okay, ma'am. But Manav's mother is there and Lalita Garu is there. Just I'm waiting for them.
Yeah, sure. I would really like to.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm Manav's mother, Navanita. So,
hello.
Hi. First of all, congratulations for your team. They are doing very best. And as a part of your multi-arts teams, my kids have learned some activities during their summer vacation. And now my son, he's learning Telugu from the basics, and it's good. And I really thank you, and I need your support for future activities also. I'll continue it.
Sure, we'll be there for you and for your kids as well. Because I know as a mother, mother need to put a lots of things. How
I'm a working mother, and I can understand how much pain you are putting towards them. And I'm also in teaching profession, and what are all you are giving it an online, it is very interactive, and the kids are easy to grasp.
Thanks a lot, Andy. Thanks a lot for the words, whatever you shared. And we are happy for sure we'll be there. And we're really looking forward to engage in a different aspects as well, which makes them so practical, so relaxed, and how to manage a life which is going to come. So that's the thing we are planning ahead. For sure, that's going to help for the kids.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Navanita Garu. Gayatri Garu?
Yes, ma'am. We can wind up. I think they are not.
Lalita, yeah. Anyone want to speak? The stage is very open, and I would really love to listen.
Like Nagini Garu or Neeta.
Yeah, anyone? You can just speak up.
Veena Garu, congratulations, Andy. Very nice. Recently, I have joined with Multi Arts. It's very nice with you people talking with Gayatri Garu and Usha Garu. Their very nice conversation happened with us. So, journey will continue till lifetime.
Okay. For sure, it's gonna happen.
Yes. Congratulations once again, Veena Garu.
Thanks a lot, Andy. Thanks for the wishes. Anyone want to speak? You can speak.
Ma'am, I just want to congratulate, and I'm very happy to be associated with you.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Neeta. That's a very warm wishes from your end. Even we are glad with the association with you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Anyone else?
Lalita ma'am, we want to speak. That's a message she sent.
Lalita, sure, Lalita Garu.
You can unmute yourself. Something network issue, I think. Okay, you can wind up in minute.
So, yeah. So this is gonna be a first foremost thing I want to address. If anyone looking forward to have something to explore with you as well as your kids, you can just step in and explore in the Multi Arts app, where we do have a free trials things, and we do have a store where you can just shop the courses whatever you want to. And I'm very happy, and I'm really looking forward to have more updates and upgrades in the Multi Arts as well as Multi Arts Knowledge World. And we're also spreading our wings into lot many factors like academics, technology, and also skill development, as many people is asking me. And I was into the same field of skill development. I would really looking forward to launch so many new things as well. And if you want to see something in multi-arts, we are really open to have all your ideas, like the feedbacks and the ideas. You can just address us or tell us so that we can add those things in multi-arts in upcoming events. So this is about today's event, and thanks a lot for everyone. I'm really thanked personally for attending this particular session and making the event grand success, and for the guest as well as chief guest, because they was there with us from long back and they're supporting us. And the team, the core team, you people are like, I can say, the main era of the multi-arts. You're just moving the things in a quick way and understanding the things, whatever we're gonna do. And I can see the passion whenever you're working, and I'm also looking forward to have you people how many years, like if I want to say the mention like lifetime. And the multi-arts gonna be there, like it need to be like a company where everyone can step in and explore after 100 to 100 years. And just have that vision in my head. That's it. Have a great day ahead and have a great learning and happiness. See you on the next event. Bye. So we can leave.